you have actually imbibed all the principles, understood them, and then you are sharing your experience. Number two is you have explained it in very simple words and reiterating what to remember.
The mastermind alliance which you got, I think it perfectly worked fine for us.
Anyone who wants to design his future, the TAGR framework will be very much handy and useful.
Any success story, whatever is an idea, if you want to make it as a reality, then click on the link below and enter our academy. Good morning and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. And we've got two very interesting personalities today in our Carnegie Club of Success. Congratulations to my very good friends, Arun Lal and Deepak Ghadge, who have entered the Carnegie Club of Success by becoming authors of their dream project, the book which is called Dhool Dhoop Dhakka. So congratulations, Arun. Congratulations, Deepak. And welcome to the Carnegie Club of Success. So why don't you introduce yourself in a short... So maybe Deepak, you can go first.
Yeah. So for me, it was a great journey for me being with TAGR. And for me, Arunji was my mentor, first of all. Just to give a brief introduction. We both met in 2004 when I was learning project management from Arunji. We came to your classes.
Right.
That is how our association of writing this book started.
Yeah, certainly. So, first of all, thank you, Siddharth, for organizing this talk, and also for also Deepak. Thank you. So, for us, this journey has been really very good. I had worked in corporate life. I have worked as a trainer, coach, consultant, and many things. Now, when I connect the dots back, I realize that the universe plays a very important role, and the power and the intelligence of the infinite intelligence, I would say, or the power that God has and the guidance that we get, the divine guidance that we get, is really wonderful. Like Deepak mentioned, that we met long time back, but then our association continued, and it turned out to be in such a fruitful association and fruitful result, which we couldn't have imagined then. And certainly the TAGR classes have been a very, very pivotal aspect in to let it all happen. With this book, my title has become like author, speaker, and mentor consultant. Thank you.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Yeah, our professional title has changed. Whatever it is, it's now become author first, and then rest all. Whether we are project management experts, growth hackers, or growth experts, but author stands way out. I think that's the uh, great feeling for all of us, and it's been an incredible journey.
Amazing, amazing. Congratulations for this. I know it's a great feeling to become an author. I can completely resonate that. So, when does this idea came to both of you that, hey, let us write a book? कि हमको भी book लिखनी है. कभी कैसे idea आया और कैसे फिर शुरुआत हुई? Can you just share about the journey?
See, we had written this goal individually. My goal was set for the launch of the book on somewhere in March 2019 when we attended your classes, the first day when we write our goals. And then the rest is history today. The mastermind alliance which you got, I think it perfectly worked fine for us.
Tell us something about the title, Dhool Dhoop Dhakka. I mean, it's a very unique title and it's about entrepreneurship by design. That's the subtitle. Can you just throw some light on this, please?
Yeah, in fact, I would credit Deepak for this title. We were brainstorming what to name this book, and it was several names came up like Entrepreneur's Journey or Challenges or Success Stories. But then Deepak mentioned this, and it immediately resonated. So, Dhool Dhoop Dhakka, it is Hindi. Dhool is the dust. You get your hands dirty, which means involvement. An entrepreneur needs to be involved in whatever he is doing. It can't just be delegated. Dhoop is the harsh sun, so you have to work hard, and that is very important. And dhakka is the struggles. So all this is very important, and then only you get to reap the fruits of success.
Right.
Okay. So Dhool, Dhoop, Dhakka, every entrepreneur goes through it. People might look at the glamour of the end result of entrepreneurship, but below the tip of the iceberg, all this thing is there. And that is very important for everyone to understand and appreciate.
Awesome, amazing, very nicely put up. And yeah, that's the resolution of every entrepreneur's journey: Dhool, Dhoop, and Dhakka. So,
Yeah. Also, along with this title, so we were also trying to figure out an English subtitle because it's a global book. It's just not an Indian book.
yeah,
One of our stories gave the subtitle. That's the most important part. So he just, while we were interviewing him, we said entrepreneur, and we said, yes, this is the subtitle. You know how universe connects is this way, and you just need to be patient. And whole success for us, if you ask me.
Very nice. Thank you so much. See, you have understood the principles of Think and Grow Rich. You have been a part of the academy. You have completed the one-year program. So, you interviewed so many successful entrepreneurs, and you saw the journey, how their journey was been there. Can you tell us that how these principles of Think and Grow Rich were knowingly or unknowingly applied in their journey of designing entrepreneurship by design and in the journey of Dhool Dhoop Dhakka? Some insights from yourself.
Yeah. See, entrepreneurship by design, the core concept is that it is not by accident or luck or chance or magic. You have to design it. So an entrepreneur basically designs what the outcome of his enterprise would be.
Right.
And for that, it is important that you understand to appreciate the environment in which you are working and also have that specialized knowledge. So specialized knowledge is something that we pick up from TAGR concepts. You need to have the mastermind alliance. You need to have the perseverance, the grit, adversity management. So each and every motive and success principle that we see as a part of TAGR, actually we see that in action being applied by successful entrepreneurs. So I would say that anyone who wants to design his future, the TAGR framework will be very much handy and useful.
TAGR is probably one of the Bibles for that. You keep reading and rereading, and everything will get aligned because I read it 3 times.
Awesome, amazing, great insights. So let me ask you, Arun, if someone's watching this interview and say that, okay, I will read the book Think and Grow Rich, why should I join Think and Grow Rich Academy? What would be your recommendation to them? That is it why it is important to join the academy rather than just reading the book on their own?
See, number one is if someone wants to read, there is the whole libraries and everything. But after all, the personal interaction makes the difference. What I personally gained from this class is, Sid, you have been very simple and very authentic. You have actually imbibed all the principles, understood them, and then you are sharing your experience. And that really made us connect. That's the number one factor. Number two is you have actually explained it in very simple words and reiterating what to remember. For example, I still remember that if you want to create trust, IICR, integrity, intention, competence, and results. So these things really matter. And when it is reiterated in a group setting, I mean, everyone benefits. The other is the mastermind alliance. It is not only that we got to know what you said, but the facilitation of the discussions that you encouraged. We learned a lot from each other and a long lasting relationship, and that benefits in always. So I would strongly recommend people to experience the the joining and learning together.
Awesome, great, wonderful. I think Deepak, is there a mastermind alliance working between you and Arun? Is that really the key thing why this entire thing has been fructified in this book? What do you think about this?
Yeah, definitely. The mastermind alliance is been there, and so when we came to your class, I didn't know that we are going to have an interview like this. What I found was very 3 things. If an entrepreneur or somebody wants to become an entrepreneur or achieve a goal, you need to learn from an entrepreneur, which you are already there. And book पढ़ के English हिंदी में समझाना, anybody can do that. The second part is financial understanding of the business. If you're not an entrepreneur, and if you don't understand finance and operations, you will not be able to. I think that I found really satisfying. I think it's very practical, and it's a great journey for anybody to learn. And they just have to focus, believe in themselves, and auto suggestion जो बोलते हैं ना,
Yes.
that's what I was telling Arun also. When we started writing, जितने भी goals थे वो सब हट गए, and it started saying book, 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 dhul dhul dhakka, dhul dhul dhakka, and it was only that dhakka which made us to come to this point.
Awesome. Great. Very nice answer. So before we wrap it up, final words from you guys that for anybody who wants to pick up this book, we'll be providing the link or for sure below the interview, and they can always contact you and check it out on the platforms on Google to get this copy of the book. And it's a brilliant read with a variety of stories. A lot of inspirational stories are there, real life stories of entrepreneurs of how they have achieved the grand success. So I've got my copy for sure. So thank you for this. So final words before we wrap it up. Anybody who would like to become an author, some final words, because you have become authors now. You are an authority in this subject. Final words before we wrap it up.
Okay, I would say being an author, that is creating a book, is an entrepreneurial journey by itself. And I would invite all aspiring authors to design their destiny. Okay, the entrepreneurship is all about what you design and how you achieve it. So design it, have faith in yourself. What starts with an idea becomes a burning desire soon, and the your subconscious and the infinite intelligence will guide you towards achieving your goals. So with those words, I invite everyone to start their success journey.
Amazing. Amazing. Great. Thank you so much, Deepak. Thank you so much, Arun, for your time. I wish you grand success in your journey. You have completed your manifested your dream, that idea of, okay, once upon a time we'll become authors. Well, today you are authors, and you have interviewed beautiful and stories are there inside it. Successful entrepreneurs are over here. So I really wish you grand success in your journey. And I'm always there to support you. I mean, this is you understood the power of the principles of Think and Grow Rich, and you achieved the grand success which you want to achieve. This is the real life story. We have coined this book, Dhul Dhul Dhakka. Deepak Khadge and Arun Lal, thank you so much and congratulations for entering our Carnegie Club of Success. If you would like to craft your success story, any success story, whatever is an idea, if you want to make it as a reality, then click on the link below and enter our academy, and we will make sure that we will not just make you read the book, but will make you apply and live the book. That is important of Think and Grow Rich. So this is Siddharth Shah. Thank you so much for watching our interview. Once again, thank you so much, Deepak, and thank you, Arun, for your time. And I wish you grand success.